What's up, everybody? Going for the last ice mission this morning. Last one. Chicagoland area is going to be about 45 degrees today. Everything's going to warm up. Ice is probably going to start getting out of here. So, going to be solo today. Just taking a few things with me. Got tip up, got my bait, got my rods. And we're going to go same spot. See if we can catch us some rainbow trout, maybe a couple nice perch, bass if it comes along. We'll go from there and we'll see what happens. But it is early, it's Saturday, it's time to get on the ice and catch some fish. I'm ready for that open water season, but I'll do one more ice mission, so we'll see you out there. There's a nice rainbow, nice start to the day. Finally got the skunk out. Man, is he thick. That's a beautiful one. That's close to the 18, 20 inch mark right there. But, I mean, how do you beat that? Gorgeous fish. Alright, let's go for the release. Awesome. All right, skunk's out. We're gonna get back down there. Did you see that? Oh, what was that? What was that? I don't know if you guys saw that, but the rod almost got pulled out of my hand when that jig was falling back down. Oh man, drag might be too light. Yeah, go down, see if he's still there. Man, I got hammered as that thing went down, but pulled the rod in the water. Come on, how did I not whatever it was, I bent the hook back on him. That's crazy. I've never done that. What was that? Oh, that was a big bite. I really wish I would have kept that fish, whatever it was. Oh, we're gonna stay. We're getting bit now. I'm just worried about this jig now. It seems kind of weak. I have to upgrade my jig a little bit. Oh, there he goes. Oh. I just got broke off. Are you kidding me? Well, either the line got weak or Mr. Pike came around. I was just saying I need to upgrade my jig. Here I get broke off. Dang. Little mid-morning update here for you. Got one perch, one bluegill, one nice, I'd say 18, 20-inch trout. And then, as you saw, something about ripped the rod out of my hand when I was fumbling with stuff in my pockets, like always. And it snapped me clean off. Now, we saw with the graveyard there is pike in here. I wasn't aware of that. Could have been a small pike, or they do stock walleye in here. I have yet to catch one myself, but I have seen when the trout opener came on the last episode. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it below. When they stocked the trout, a guy had one on his stringer. That's the only walleye I've seen come out of this lake, is one being taken home to be made up for lunch or dinner or whatever he was going to do with it. So I let the hole rest here for a little bit. I got everything resituated. Cameras are good. We're gonna get back to it. Hopefully we can find ourselves a nice big fish. Stay tuned. We're gonna keep at it. Thunderstorm here is going to be rolling in soon. Pressure system's on the rise and the bite is on the down. So I'm going to charge some batteries for these boys here. People that were down in the shallow cove here took off, and they were nice enough with their gas auger to drill about 30 holes before they started. So as I charge the batteries, I think I'm going to go over and play around in the shallows and see if there's anything going to bite over there. If not, I will see you down the road at Fletcher Lake. I'm going to go there, try a few spots I did well before, see if the bass are biting. Seems the trout, seems everything over here is shutting down. So either they move shallow or they're shut down. Not sure yet. We're gonna find that out. So we'll see you back here in a minute. Perch. Little Mr. Perch. Well, at least we're back on fish. Okay. Not a bad little guy. I wish I could find the bigger ones that all these other guys are catching. Give me my bait back. Hey, gimme my bait. Oh, that's really weird. Look at those gill plates. The mouth. Never seen all the dots on the face like that. This guy has dots all over him. That's really weird. I wonder if he's got something. Huh. We'll see. Another one. Another perch. Man, did he eat it. Oh. Well, the perch have moved in. And my bait back. Haha. Another little guy. They're hitting it before it even hits the bottom. That was pretty cool. Let's do it again. Come on. Thought I saw some taps in the line as it was going down. I wondered if it was going to stop. There's bottom. Lift up a hair. Yep. Got another one. On a perch school, that's for sure. Well, good thing we moved back here. At least we're catching something. These little tiny angry perch. Yep. But better than nothing, right? 2 points. These perch are quick on it too. They don't waste no time. Yep. There, he's already got it. Oh, there's a trout. Ooh. What is this? This is something big, guys. Oh my God, it's a big bass. Oh my God, it's a big bass. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes. 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 Oh, the jig popped right out. Oh, yes. That's what I was after on Fletcher over there. Oh, that was awesome. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Oh, nice fatty. Up here probably feeding on those perch. I got all stirred up. Well, shouldn't have left Main Lake. Glad I came back. All right. Yeah. All right, let's get him back in the hole. Bam! That was awesome. That was awesome. Woohoo! Well, I'm not going to stop. We're going to keep going. Oh yeah, another big fish. Whoa! I almost fell. What do we got? Ooh, trout. Oh! He came off right at the hole. Probably because of my graceful moves there. Damn it. Well, I didn't even go past the first hole these people drilled while I was fishing over on the other side early this morning. I gotta get my bait that I kicked over here. Damn it. There we go. Oh no. I thought that was a bigger bite. That's why I waited. Mr. Perch got my jig kind of deep. Okay, buddy. Let's play dentist. There we go. Got it. All right. Send him back. Get back down there. Right after the perch was that bass. So let's see if we can do that again. There we go. Another trout. Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Came right off. Oh, 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 no, no. No. I just want to take a look at you. All right. Another rainbow. Rainbow trout. Beautiful fish. Oh, this hole's producing. Let's keep going. Bye-bye. Woo! I broke off earlier. I just broke it trying to pull it out. So I went to a heavier rod, and I actually am going to try something. Since there's bass and trout around here, I'm going to try myself a jigging wrap. Everybody knows the jigging wrap. Needs no introduction. So we're going to tip it up with some waxworms though, just to make it a little extra appeasing to whatever comes over and looks at it. Put it right there on the tail. Put this one right on the nose. There we go. And that's what we're going to go down with. Hopefully get another big bass. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Alright, check my drag here. Drop it in this one. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Rainbow trout on the jig and wrap. Oh yeah. That was awesome. I can't even move. Yeah. Well, pushed it as long as I could push it. All in all, a great day though. A lot of big fish, a lot of nice trout. Great bass. That was the topper for me, man. I haven't had bass since a couple episodes ago, as you saw, which was honestly about 2 months ago. So that was great. Good old Thunderstorm came in just like I said it would. So caught a bunch of nice trout. Was gonna make a nice dinner for Katie, but the weather was coming in. That guy was still kicking on the ice, so I decided to release him. He kicked off, no issues. I know the rainbow trout won't really survive in here, but I'm always hesitant to keep fish for some reason. I'm a catch and release guy. Unless you're talking walleye, then it's a different story for me, because that's definitely my top favorite. But yeah, a lot of good fish caught today. A lot of hole hopping. I probably drilled. Oh boy, I drilled 15 holes at least today. And then I come and catch the nice bass out of a hole left for me. How do you beat that? We're gonna head back to the house. We're gonna get dry and get all this mess of this gear assorted and put away. And I think that might be, yeah, that might be the end of the ice fishing season right there, because it is starting to pile water on there like crazy. So guess that's the 2019 ice season in the books. We'll see you back here shortly. Hopefully be on a boat. That'll be nice. Pull out the rods, pull out the boats, drop in the water and do some flipping, do some frogging, do the old fun stuff we love to do here at Bass and Gill Club. Thanks for joining me on this episode. It's a solo mission. I had a great day. I hope you enjoyed everything. Please subscribe below if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next adventure.